Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to fix the rate limit reached error on Grok. Now let's dive into understanding this specific issue that can sometimes be quite the hurdle. If you've ever encountered the rate limit reached message on Grok, you know how frustrating it can be when you're in the middle of important work or research. But don't worry, this message is actually a safeguard to ensure fair usage and system stability, and it's functioning as intended. The challenge is figuring out how to navigate this without causing unnecessary downtime in your workflow. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, it's important to note that there isn't a manual reset button you can press to immediately clear your usage. The limits on Grok are managed through server-side rolling windows. This means the system automatically refreshes based on your subscription tier and your recent activity history. So, even if you try things like closing the app, logging out and back in, or clearing your cache, these won't help in restoring access instantly. What the system actually needs is time to cycle your usage out of its current window. Understanding this rolling window is key because it makes the waiting period a bit more predictable. Let's say you're working under a 24-hour limit. The counter doesn't reset at midnight. Instead, it looks back over the previous 24 hours from the exact moment you're checking. For instance, if you hit the limit because of a burst of requests at 10 a.m., you can expect relief to start showing around 10 a.m. the following day, as those earlier requests age out of the system. It's also helpful to know that there are shorter-term caps, which typically relax within about 2 hours. Here's a practical tip for you. Keep track of the approximate time you sent your heaviest sequence of prompts. If you give it around 2 hours for short-term relief or a full 24 hours for daily limits to clear, you'll be able to plan your sessions more efficiently. While you're waiting, consider drafting your prompts offline. You can batch your questions into a single, well-structured request to avoid sending rapid-fire queries that only prolong the cooldown period by adding more usage to your window. If you find that you genuinely need more throughput immediately, the only legitimate way to increase your limits is to upgrade to a higher premium tier. Upgrading will elevate your priority level and available capacity instantly. The Premium Plus tier offers the highest priority and throughput, so review the plan details to ensure the benefits match your workload, especially if you frequently run long or complex sessions. Finally, a quick but important warning. Steer clear of any unofficial reset scripts, browser extensions that claim to bypass limits, or automated account switching tools. These actions violate Grok's terms of service, can trigger permanent account suspensions, and may expose your account to security risks. No workaround is worth the potential loss of access or compromising your data. To sum up, there's no manual reset because Grok relies on these rolling server-side windows, which are tied to your subscription level and recent usage. Give the system time to refresh, about 2 hours for short-term caps or up to 24 hours for daily limits. Optimize your prompting strategy to reduce unnecessary retries. And if you need more immediate capacity, upgrade your plan. With these approaches, you'll return to productive sessions without risking your account. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to fix the rate limit reached error on Grok quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.